Wow, that's amazing. Dangerous accidents strike completely without warning. Unbelievable. Even professional drivers can run into disaster. This driver tried to force the truck through a flooded road despite the dangerous conditions. The powerful rush of water slammed against the vehicle so hard that the engine immediately shut down. This is extremely dangerous. The bulldozer was carrying out its job when disaster suddenly struck and massive rocks collapsed without warning. Fortunately, the operator's professional driving skills helped avoid a catastrophic accident. Let's clear out dry branches and thick brush with the Caterpillar 992G. Its 800-plus horsepower engine roars as the massive bucket, with a capacity of nearly 13 cubic meters, keeps moving non-stop. The machine continuously scoops up dry branches and lifts them high into the giant dump truck waiting ahead. Are you impressed by this powerful machine? If yes, comment 1. Nearly 50% of the vehicle's body has already sunk underwater. This old tractor is completely trapped in deep mud, unable to escape as the engine noise continues echoing through the swamp. In the end, a powerful off-road recovery truck arrives to pull it out, but the rescue is far more difficult than anyone expected, turning into a massive challenge. Oh no, the JCB excavator is being attacked by a herd of elephants. The machine fights back as its engine shakes violently, both sides battling fiercely. Neither side is willing to lose, and the elephant grows even more aggressive, charging hard toward the machine as thick smoke rises everywhere. The LKT-80 puts on a brutal display of power. Equipped with a 160 HP engine, it climbs a steep, slippery slope covered in thick mud. Its wheels constantly dig into the ground, moving forward inch by inch, while the powerful throttle pushes the machine harder and harder until smoke begins to fill the air around it. Subscribe now to watch more extreme machine battles against nature. Let's see which machine can conquer that massive mountain. The Zoruba off-road vehicle and the UAZ Ermac are locked in an intense showdown. Both machines struggle to climb the slippery snow, only to slide back down again. This dangerous challenge looks far more difficult than expected. Transporting a gigantic rock crusher across a dangerous mountain peak. The heavy hauler carefully moves the massive machine along extremely treacherous roads, and every sharp turn is enough to make me hold my breath. The road is incredibly narrow, making the risk of a serious accident extremely high. Up next is another massive bulldozer transport operation. It is being hauled on a heavy truck, slowly moving forward with every careful turn of the wheels. Every vehicle on this road keeps its distance from the machine because it looks incredibly dangerous. the operator of this machine is unbelievably reckless. The bridge is less than 3 meters wide. The structure looks weak and unstable, yet he still dares to drive this gigantic machine across it. Give this brave guy a round of applause by commenting 1 below. The technique used to lift this excavator is seriously impressive. The high-powered excavator manages to move itself onto the boat without using any support equipment at all. It uses its massive bucket to generate enough force to push the entire machine upward. The truck leans heavily to one side as the wheels spin helplessly. Carrying an excessive load of timber makes the machine unable to move normally. On top of that, it gets trapped in deep mud, forcing the machine to struggle for a long time before finally breaking free and continuing its journey. Like a giant beast challenging the terrain itself. The Sherp ATV's 44 HP diesel engine roars as its 4 massive tires, standing nearly 1.6 meters tall, constantly press into the soft ground. It charges across the deep snow without facing any obstacles, successfully conquering the harsh power of nature. Subscribe now to watch more shocking and dangerous machine failure moments.